Hiya, this is Jason in Jason's Jungle, and I would like to show you around my greenhouse, but honestly, I'm too scared to go in there. It's like a jungle. Oh, there's triffids and everything. Sure, I saw a tiger lurking in the back the other day. Anyway, I'm going to dive in, and if I'm not out in 2 weeks, send a search party, please. Well, this is it. Like I said when I planted them, I think I was planting triffids, and you can probably see the achocha. Basically, if it's green, it's most likely achocha. A couple of little slips of plants when they went in, and they've now right up that wall, hiding across there and attacking the tomatoes. They've covered my trombone squash, everything in here. They're just covering everything. You can't tell anything else in here. I can see some sweet potato roots, some leaves down there, but apart from that, you can see mostly achocha. Now, if you're not too sure what achocha is, these are them. When they're raw, they taste of cucumber, and if you fry them, they taste a bit of green peppers, and they're quite nice. When they're raw, they're crunchy, but they're juicy when they're cooked. It's a bit hard to find them in this mat, but I can see some here and there. I just have to fight my way back in to get them. Now, you can see over here the tomatoes doing quite well. Nice red ones there. I've got achocha, Gardener's Delight, Big Sweet Minions, and I've got down here some Ildy, and this triffid here. There's two plants there. These are Geranium Kiss. Loads of tomatoes, just not ready yet. Geranium Kiss is a bush type, so you don't prune off all the arms. And you can see right down the bottom I've got loads of sweet potato plant, and hopefully I will have sweet potato root under there. But anyway, I now have to fight my way back out, and oh yeah, as I get closer to the door, you can see there, if you look along there, you can see that the trombone squash is escaping out. Haven't seen any trombones on it. These bees probably can't fight their way in because of the achocha. But you know, to see a vigorous plant like that just gets smothered. If you come down here, these ones are Trinidad Perfume, and these ones here are, I think, Yellowstone Habaneros. I've got a couple of other chilies elsewhere. I just got to fight the way into, and some here. This has been gotten at by something. But I can see another red one in the corner down there. So I'll be sorting these out and taking some home, and hopefully have a few nice flavoured ones. But I'm next to the door, so I'm going to make me escape before the tiger gets us. So I'll see you next time. And this was short but sweet. Managed to put on my best line tamer's outfit, grabbed a chair and a whip, and going to evade the tiger. So I've got a nice bowl of achocha. These are about the maximum size they get, because otherwise they get large seeds in there. A couple of bowls of tomatoes, one red set of reds and one of the Ildy yellows, and some nice little peppers. I picked the Trinidad Perfume peppers, not the habaneros, because I don't want to get them two mixed up. And one of the green ones dropped off, so I've brought that along as well. And also a couple of, I can't remember the name of them, but a couple of little sweeter red peppers, or not so hot red peppers. Okay, so that's the produce from the greenhouse today, and I'll see you later. Ta-ra.